This is the 57 T-Bird. Nope, that ain't it. This is the Astros Coca-Cola Best in Texas, and I'm making this video in January 2013. So last season the Astros didn't do too well, but I still give this car credit because there's a limited amount that are probably made, because you probably only buy this at the Astrodome. I mean at the wherever dome. They probably sold us at the Astrodome back in the day. But anyway, that is just another beautiful find on eBay. I bought this sucker on eBay. Coca-Cola Astros baseball. Once you gone Astros, you just go somewhere else, because right now they're not doing real good. But this is 2013. Maybe in about another year or two they'll be doing better. To all you Houston Astros fans, just another day at the office.